Yarr! Yo! What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Bro, my bad, chat. Let's pop you guys up. Put you up there. Shit. It's been a long time. Just kidding. I saw y'all last night, but I was listening to that Led Zeppelin song. Oh shit. How do I always fuck up? You know, it wouldn't be a stream if I didn't do something wrong. You know what I'm saying? Shit, it's been like that lately. But it's all good, bro. Hope y'all been good. Hope y'all had a good day. Sorry I was late. I was with Cowboy and Mamba and Lalo for a while. And I didn't want to leave right away. We were doing some shit. We made some content earlier, played some basketball and shit, so appreciate y'all. Thanks for anyone who did come and join. But like I said, I'm so sorry I started late. Let's run through some pairs. I'm here to answer any questions. How you guys yeah, I see. What up, Plug Rich Tay? Shout out you, bro. Appreciate you being here. 2+ backwards, appreciate you, bro. How's my connection, guys? Am I up to date here? Let's go check. I remember last night, like I told you guys, I was downloading that thing on my computer, so everything was slow and delayed. But let's go listen now. Nah, we up to date now. So the worst part, guys. You know what? You guys want to know the worst part about today or last night? Remember, I had like an hour and a half left in that thing, and that's why I didn't want to like end it. In the download, bro. There was like a power outage. And I have to go and re-download the whole thing tonight, which is fucking crazy as fuck. So that'll suck. But we here. We showing love. We wealthy. We going crazy. Healthy, wealthy. And like I said, guys, I'm here to go over any charts and stuff. I had a killer position on GJ last night that you guys, if you saw my story, this was the most sad thing I could have ever happened to me. Right here, chat. Look at this. Look where my position was. I got stopped out to the T. Is there a way to pause it? Look at that. To the T, and look what happened after. Look at that dump. It dumped even more today. That was a L, but it's all good, bro. Make sure y'all, if you guys have not gone and commented plan on my recent reel, the shit was kind of funny as also. Oh, it's gonna get copyrighted now if I play that music, goddammit. But y'all go comment that. Yo, we got Carla in the building. What is good? So good to see you. Thanks for being back. Sorry I was late, guys. Like I said, I was at Mamba's, chopping it up and shit. Damn, it's only 11. You guys here? What the fuck? This is what happens if you're not consistent. You know what I'm saying? Not only in trading, but even with live streaming. I gotta be more consistent. But I was gone the last 2 weeks, and all the stuff I was gone for was to honestly grow. You know what I'm saying? The podcast. As well as, damn, I don't think I've streamed since I went and got to meet Q Banks and them. Did I tell you guys about that? Chat? Did I tell you guys about when I got to go meet Q Banks and hang out with them? That shit was lit. So it's not like I've just been gone doing nothing, bro. I've been making moves. That shit was lit. Ah. Ow. Oh, just my fucking elbow. Hope y'all are doing good though. Let's run through the charts. But this was the position on GJ. I'm gonna go over right now why I wanted to take the position. Like you saw, I'm not here to front and say like, oh, I made a bag off of it. No, I literally went and showed you guys on my story that I got stopped out to the T. Right here. Look at that. Like, look at the top. I literally at the most top place. Look at that. Taken out, and then what? Absolutely dumped. So once again, envision that, and then come over to GJ. This was the position. Let's go over why I wanted to take it and why I was confident in it, because a lot of people would not have sold from that level. But you know what? I'm not like those other people, you know what I'm saying? So this is the reasoning for it. Honestly, I have to do with the 1 and the 5 minutes. So if we go to the 5 minute here, I'm actually just gonna replay price so you guys can kind of see what I was looking at. So right around here, I saw us in what? We did already correct this move and have the move up where I was like, you know what? This could turn into kind of a downtrend, and this could just be a retracement of this whole move to fall more. So as I kind of went down and looked a little closer at price, I looked left and saw this 5 minute supply. What is one of the things that I've been loving lately about trading is waiting for some sort of liquidity grab or SMC trap. You know, I've talked about it a little bit, but it's like, I trade supply and demand. I've traded supply and demand forever, but guess what? Supply and demand, like lately, has been getting pretty disrespected by like just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It'll take out really obvious zones, and just because the algorithm or whatever has kind of adapted to it because there's so many freaking smart money traders out. But enough with that. Basically, all I kind of looked at was this 5 minute that led to this obvious push, and then it getting manipulated. Why? Because it got manipulated up into this 5 minute supply right here as well, right above it. So if I kind of go to like the 1 minute, all I kind of was looking at was first this high got manipulated, right? I saw this get manipulated to the T, and then I start like selling super hard. So I sold for the first time here because to me, like, I knew it was probably gonna come and make some type of shoulder, but I was like, you know what, this could be the liquidity grab and it shouldn't go back above here. You know what I'm saying? So got in a sell position here, stops kind of above here. And then what ended up happening, price kind of came up, stopped me out. And then what did I do? I sold again because I saw this move, right? Of this big freaking, you know, candle. I was like, there's no way it should continue. And then guess what? It stops me out right here. I sell again right here, and it stops me out right here. And then look what happens after. But basically, I just liked the manipulations happening and how it kind of was in this like uptrend, knowing that we were going to turn bearish. So I really just like was looking for the trend line break, was looking for the manipulation to then lead to the next distribution. So if I press play, you'll see that after that point, literally all it needed was to stop me, and then boom. So trade idea was there. Trade idea played out. Could I have had a little bit of tighter stops or bigger stops? Yes, but if you think about it, this high never even got broken. My whole like reasoning of getting the second trade was like, all right, my stop should be protected above here, right? And then guess what? Because there's such thing as spread, correct? When price came up here, the spreads took me out. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Does that make sense? You guys put some W's in the chat if you guys kind of understand. If you guys have any questions about why I got in, because like I said, a lot of you guys probably would be buying in this area, so. Love from India, thank you so much. Deepak, I appreciate you a lot. What is the most trustworthy broker to deposit on? I mean, I've always used HeroFX. I still think that they're still good. I just am still kind of looking for a better option just for the platform reasoning. So, I still trust them for sure. I always say it that like, y'all should, you know, you guys are good. Especially if y'all know me, like if the broker rips you off, come and tell me and I'll make a video about them and make them give you your money back, you know what I'm saying? What up, Salva? Sorry I didn't see you until you just read it again. Like the stream, gang? Yes, sir. Make sure y'all all like the stream. Thanks for coming through. Like I said, guys, sorry I started the stream a little late. I was hanging out with Cowboy and Mamba, and we played basketball. I went home and showered, then went back over there, ate some dinner, we're just hanging out. And we were talking about some shit like right around 10 o'clock when we usually start the stream. And I wasn't going to get up just right in the middle of talking with them and leave. So I apologize, but we're here. So we can go back to so I'll do a breakdown of current price here now, guys. I'm gonna go over this as well. Shit's been kind of lame. Shit's been playing out during pre-session, so this is a good time to start looking for some stuff. You see GJ's kind of turning pretty bullish right here. Yo, 200K challenge passed. Thanks for the challenge, Luna. I know you meant Luca, but I love you, brother. Congratulations, Sebastian. You're a gangster, bro. That shit was quick too. So you know what they say about quick? They say light work. That shit was light work. Congratulations, brother. 200K. Easy. I feel like brokers, American cannot use the better than whatever we have here. Wait, I feel like brokers, American cannot use are better than what we have here in the States. I don't know if I necessarily understand what you're saying, but if your guys' worry is like a broker not paying you out, I promise you guys are fine. You guys only have to start worrying when you start doing like the 50Ks to 100Ks, 100Ks, whatever. But even at that point, bro, like brokers are a lot different than like prop firms and stuff, guys. You guys gotta understand that. Prop firms, it's a little, could be a little scary. It shouldn't be a little scarier, but it just low key kind of is. Let's go, y'all came in here. What's happening with GJ? Let's break it down. Let's break down exactly what's happening with GJ. So similar to last night, looking at the impulse leg. So we see here, if I just brought, bring up my drawing tool, we had this move down, clear retracement, move down, and now I'd say we're in a retracement. You know what I'm saying? So the next question is kind of like, at what point is price probably going to retrace to? I'd say up in these highs. It should come up and kind of manipulate these highs, and then we can look for some short positions from there. Buying up to that area, oh shit, is likely as well. I see someone in the chat just said that, you know, just gotten GJ buys. Yeah, bro, like super gangster. You know, love it. Oh shit. Back over here. Guys, I want everyone in the chat. 29.6 seconds, not a single day long. That's good, dude. 29 point. That was kind of close for you, dude. That's gangster as fuck. Everyone put some W's in the chat. I want everyone right now to put some W's in the chat for Sebastian. I'll put some W's as well. W. Congratulations, brother. 200K, bro. That's a lot. You know what I'm saying? We got NLT Nick in the cut. See you, gangster. Congratulations. Or not congratulations, but thank you for being here. I'm texting with Mamba right now. $41. I love that, bro. Who here in the chat knows why we say 41? Come on, where the OGs at? Where the regulars at? Why do we say 41? All for one, one for all. I'd be backwards for you guys. Or how could I do it even cooler? How could I do like a 4? No, I don't know. I'm just not even gonna embarrass myself on here and try to do it. Yesterday I sold. Next time someone is tested on Telegram with the 41, don't answer them. Yeah, I think that happened one time in the chat. There was like a fake one. There was like someone questioned them. I said, "What did 41 say?" And people were like, went and said it. And it's like, bro, we obviously know, you know. All right, let's break down actually what's happening on GJ, guys. Sorry, I was texting fucking Mamba and Botero. So, breaking it down. Going to up here, what did I say about the downtrend last night? We're still within it. So, what can probably happen? A retracement up into one of these areas, take out the high, right? And then fall back down. So, I say like this type of formation, you can see it's just following suit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not predicting anything crazy. I'm just following price action. What do I think it's heading towards? Up there, do I feel confident buying up in that, you know, up here so far? No, not really. Let's go and kind of like break down what could potentially have been an entry, at least for me, because, you know, sometimes there's just not entries. And that's one thing that's really key for a lot of you guys that you don't understand, is that if you guys really think about it, there's days where your setup is not occurring. Your setup just won't occur, and that's completely fine. You have to have the like confidence and also like basically the data also to be able to sit back and go, you know what, it's one of those days that just strategy didn't play out, you know, nothing was really looking good. Because even like on Sunday of this week, everything was so high. I don't know if you guys remember that. It started the week off at like all-time highs and like so many different shit, you know what I'm saying? So all right, GJ downtrend, like I said, could potentially be coming up. Let's look if there's any things around here that I would consider maybe a valid entry. The only thing I see that could potentially be, let's see if this low is taken out. Was this low taken out? Yeah, so this is a decent trade. So you can see here we're in a downtrend. You already know that I love when we're in a downtrend, especially overextended, like pretty deep. And then we get some sort of liquidity grab to the downside. And the difference between the liquidity grab, like, you know, here or here or here, anything, is what happens after, right? So I wouldn't get in just on this grab because this wasn't session lows, this wasn't anything important. So I wouldn't buy just on this, but because we had a big impulse here, if I were to replay price, we could expect, if, you know, if we're here breaking structure, I would consider like this structure, right, being broken. But even up in here, I'm pretty sure it comes up to. And we just kind of, you know, go bar by bar. Boom. Break a structure. And then at this point, what would you guys do? I want to see if anyone in the chat knows what to do at this point. Vanity and Ricardo were both kind of right. One said looking for an order block, one said wait for a higher low. So yeah, you're basically waiting for a higher low within an order block. So the order block would be down in here. I'd mark up this level right here, right? Mark this. And then guess what? We're now just waiting for the retracement down into premium, because once again, I always bring up the fib for a couple of reasons. Not only because I don't use fibs, I do it to like visually show you guys that price needs to retrace into discount. So what happens if after we get a retracement into discount? Huge rejection. What could we look for in this area? All we're looking for in this area is now a break of a 5-minute high. So, you know, this high wasn't broken yet, so there's no entry. This 5-minute high just closed super bullish. So what can we do? We can now wait for the 5-minute high. If this candle, bro, are these backwards? Yeah, they're backwards. If price can open up the next 5-minute high and come and make a low without breaking previous lows and then break highs, that's a valid entry. So boom, we're entered there. Your stop would probably be right below, you know, previous things. So 1-to-1 would be right here. And then next candle. Oh, damn. Well, TP smashed quick. Oh, sheesh. And then boom. So, I mean, that was already like a 1-to-3. I probably would have been out ski. Yeah, like if this is one of the things too, guys. If I get almost a 1-to-3 in one candle, I'm not gonna fight it. I'm gonna be you know, I'll be good. We're chilling. Don't always happen like that. So when it happens, just take it. How do you draw order blocks, Lucas? So a couple, like, people kind of define order blocks kind of differently. I kind of like this is a demand, because this is the last 5-minute candle, bearish candle. that led to the bullish break of structure. So this is a supply. An order block would be like this whole kind of zone like this. Why? Because usually an order block is like a sharp move in one direction and then an instant kind of rally in the opposite. So you see like this whole zone, it kind of tried to come up, had a boom, like a liquidity sweep, and then just rocketed it up. So this whole zone would be kind of considered an order block, at least in my opinion. That's how, you know, you go ask a bunch of different people, they're all gonna have different, you know, strategies and ideas and all that type of shit. So that's just how I see it and how I've learned it and why, you know, I use it for more higher time frame understanding. So into current price now, we already went over now where a potential entry could have been, which was the break and retest into this level of demand. But we didn't get in there. So what can we look for now? We see another break of structure up in this area. But the one thing we have to think of is what? I want someone to kind of point it out. I know like Sabo could point it out. What am I gonna say? What I just not like? I'll kind of just say it, but basically, like, I just don't like how exposed all these lows are. Each time this is coming making a low, we're getting buyers. And where are the stop losses? Under this low. Once it buys up and retraces again, people could be buying here, or when it re-breaks, guess what? Where are they putting their stops? Under this low, right? Or even under this low. Same thing here. When we buy, make a higher low, there's buyers here, you know, fib buyers, demand buyers into here. Boom, breaking structure again. So I just look at all these freaking levels and all these basically higher lows as liquidity. So like I would basically consider this, you know, the impulse, and I just need a retracement, take out some sort of lows. That's what I would say. Truthfully, we've come up and taken out this high. I think we need to come up into this, you know, fair value gap up here, but it doesn't have to happen right away because you've already had this sharp move in the other direction. So, like I said, you don't want to chase. You don't want to chase it. You don't want to chase what's already happening. You want to wait for like a retracement or, you know, just the best entry possible, which would like, you know, like this in this scenario, right? Like replay price. Like in this scenario, when we're going up and breaking structure, where's the best place to get in? In a premium, in like the demand zone. So what are we looking for? A retracement down. Retracement down into it. Boom, now you're getting in at like a you know, what they call a discounted price. There's a reason why it's called discount. Looking for the continuation. And then it ends up flying as well, so it's like we just gotta look. So that's on GJ, guys. We're breaking down GJ. Let's go over gold now. But before we go over gold, I need everyone here in the chat to spam W's. www. I need all them W's in the chat. We ain't going over another setup until I see all of you guys spamming those W's in the chat. I'm literally not gonna go over a single another thing. Not doing it. Not doing it. Sorry, not doing it. Oh, there we go. I'm starting to see some W's now. A little more, maybe I'll be satisfied. Little more W's and maybe I'll be satisfied. Back at it, bro. Everyone in the chat. Oh shit. I always have my fingers slipped. Guys, I need more W's. I told you, I'm not going on until we get more W's in the chat. Come on, guys, spam them, spam them, spam them. back at it with the whole chat going crazy. If you guys are not here utilizing all the free sauce on the free live streams, you're missing out. Come join the community, guys. We are going crazy, breaking everything down. Come join the gang. Click this link, subscribe, and I'll see you guys back on Thursday for another one. So, going over, thank you guys for all the W's, appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? That's your payment. You know what I'm saying? That can be here. All right, let's go over gold. So this is a clear example of like a setup I actually like. Why? Because this is the impulse. Look at the lows it's created, right? And we're getting the lows taken out to tap in. I mean, did someone say fucking gorgeous? Like what? I need y'all to be on top. Like when I go over these types of things on the live streams, I need y'all to like really understand the strategy. So if there's a day that maybe I missed it because I was late to the live stream and I wasn't on it, bro, we just spent the whole time going over GJ when like, if I would have looked at this with the 200 right here, I mean, bro, gangster. Aim for these equal highs. I mean, bro, if this doesn't hit, I'd be very surprised. Yeah, I mean, it's just going straight to that. So I consider these equal highs fucking liquidity up in here. I've taken out the lows too. So guys, why do I like liquidity? I'm gonna say it right now, and then on a future stream, I'm gonna ask about it, and you guys have to repeat after me. I'm gonna say, why do I like liquidity? And you're gonna say, because it's like magnets. That's just the simple way to say it. Because like magnets. The way I look at liquidity is like price doesn't move in higher highs, higher lows, like whatever. And whenever this is happening, what is moving price up? Buyers. Where are buyers putting their stop losses? You know, they're getting it out like here, they're getting here, all this type of stuff. Where if we delete that, what's happening? Well, then it's creating liquidity pools down under these lows. This is like just, you know, liquidity pools. What's going to happen after this point? We're going to get, you know, shifted structures, retracements, sellers down, whatever it may be. And then guess what? It's going to stop out these people who bought. And now where's the liquidity? Back up in these areas. You know what I'm saying? On the way down. It's creating all these liquidity pools on the way down. So where's it most likely going to go after? Back up to the liquidity. You know what I'm saying? So when y'all ask me about liquidity, it's like magnets. You know what I'm saying? Like price really is just moving from one spot to the next based upon where buyers and sellers are putting their stop losses. So applying that to gold right here, bro, look at this. All right, so pretty not rocket science. I really enjoy these types of setups. You can clearly see the impulse leg here when we get the move up, especially after taking out these lows. Like it came out, took liquidity on these lows, and had an immediate break of structure. We've now had retracements down with lows. We can take the fib off. I just really like these lows here too. Like this trend line is just liquidity as well. It just broke it, tapped right down into the level of demand, and then you take the trade at the 5-minute high and you aim for the next liquidity pool. So you would have asked me, you know, where is it at? Right here. These are equal highs. You can try to hold to, you know, break these highs, but you gotta, you know, you gotta think price is not always gonna go and just break ultimate highs or break ultimate lows. You're just trying to get into position kind of, you know, in the middle and target where it makes sense, because you don't want to get into the position here and have them move up here and then get greedy and not close, and then it like retrace all the way back down, maybe stop you out and then go up for these highs. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want not to happen. But look at this, equal highs are now getting taken out. If I draw this down here, you can see here they just got taken out. So this is literally textbook A+ setup, impulse leg, retracement, lows to take out, equal highs to the opposing side. I mean, pretty gangster with the 200 on your side. This was beautiful. Yo-ho! Dejan Shanti. Dang, I think I always forget. I know you met me and told me your name. You're gonna have to like text me and like, or like DM me like a voice message of how to say it. Well, actually, wait, let me see. Do I follow you? Bijan. Johnny Yao Shan. Dijanu. Oh, I found it. Oh, I follow you. Damn. Alright, actually, no, I can't. Simplicity is the key of success in trading. Yes. Agreed. Agreed. God. God, I love my life. Dude, life's been so good lately. Except missing you guys. I miss seeing y'all. Y'all miss seeing my face? Bro, I look ugly as fuck right now. I got like high school acne and shit, bro. It's like, what? But, y'all got any questions? I think gold clearly took up the liquidity it needed right here. Where's the next place we could probably look for? I'd say look for like an order block down on this level. It's hard because this is this whole candle. But, damn. I mean, that was just a G setup. Water. Y'all see I still got this on from last night's stream. This shit's G, bro. Love it. And you guys have any comments, concerns about any of the setups? I want you guys also to, you know, if you guys have not gone and filled out. So here, first off, like I said, banger video, but y'all go in comment plan. Everyone go and comment plan right now on this video and fill out the type form. Do you also break a bearish trend line? I haven't really gone over. Ooh. Oops, Salva called it. All right, guys, GU valid. I kind of approve. I kind of like. Look at these equal highs right here as well. I like that. Maybe it needs to come out and take the low because we have another low right below it, but I like how this got manipulated right here, you know? It's a small liquidity grab, but still valid. What circumstances would liquidity setup not work? What circuit would liquidity not work? When I would say it's more of like when I would say liquidity may not work when there's still liquidity in the opposing side. So like right here, for example, I think that these equal highs need to be taken out. But the next question is like at what point and where? Because, you know, I do like the setup. Same type of thing as gold, where we draw the fib. You see that we're in a discount. We took out lows to tap into it. The only opposing side, actually no, there really is no opposing side. The only thing I was just gonna say is that there's still like liquidity under these lows. Why? Because you could see that this is the low that caused this rally, and that's usually the low that comes and gets respected. So ultimately, like, this is a good low, whatever, but it's more from this low. So I would say that like if this zone doesn't hold, then this one right below it should. So like to answer your question, like when liquidity might not work is when there's just more liquidity still left. You know what I'm saying? Like under these lows. Because I still like that we're bullish here, right? We're now kind of in, so I like it. Like I've said it on previous live streams, but the market moves. It does like three things. It does like it'll accumulate, it'll manipulate, and it'll drive. And being able to identify where the market is within those three things is very key, because you can see here, this is obviously when price was in a drive. This is now in the, you know, the consolidation, the accumulation. Now we're looking for the manipulation for the next drive. That's really how the price moves. You know, the drive doesn't mean up, the drive also can mean down. It can obviously drive down as well. But I think that we're kind of in the side trend now, where we had the drive, we're now kind of in the side channel, and now kind of comes for the manipulation for the next drive. Luca, what's a good lot size for the 200K account going for entries 1 to 3? So it depends what pair, bro. I mean, yeah, it depends what pair. You know what I'm saying? If it's like GJ on a 100K, I usually like using like 10 lots. So maybe like 20 lots is good. Then it distribute, yeah. So it accumulates, manipulates, and then distributes. I know I say drive, but like, it's the same thing as it just, you know, it's the same type of kind of shit. And then I saw someone earlier in the chat saying they like doing the top-down analysis, and I like doing the top-down analysis to basically be able to tell where price is heading towards, if we're supplying, if we're in like a continuation or a pullback, whatever it may be. And this is my thing. This is my thing. All right, listen. Let's say this was any pair on like the 4-hour daily time frame, where price kind of came up, made a nice supply, boom, like broke structure to the downside, right? So for a lot of supply and demand traders, this is a valid level of supply, correct? Well, the thing is that on the daily and 4-hour, we're gonna get the retracements to take a while, all the way back up into here, and as soon as we kind of tap, like, supply and demand traders looking to short right away, right? But what usually ends up happening? It could consolidate in here, and you got to think, bro. If price consolidates here in a 4-hour daily level, that's days. So my whole thing is that if on the 4-hour and daily, yes, we could be in here, but look at these little moves within that like you may miss out on if you don't maybe drop to like a. Cause like let's mimic it. Let's mimic this to like, let's say that this is on the 4-hour, and let's say we drop down to the 5-minute, and now this is on the 5-minute, and we see this. We see the like, you know, the higher highs being formed with like lows getting taken out, and like boom, like this, and then boom, like, you know what I'm saying? Like there's gonna be all these like little opportunities to like, you know, maybe getting down here at this demand for like this buy, or this one like right here, or you know, up in here, you know what I'm saying? Like there's all these other moves as well when you kind of scalp like we do. So that's my only thing that I would say. You know, we could be in a daily supply, but that shit could be doing that for fucking 4 hours. So it's obviously got taken out, you know what I'm saying? I didn't obviously get it, but let's just see if we're going for a lower zone or if we're just bearish. I just think that once again, if we go here, what's the trend? We're obviously bullish, so I'm just paying attention to like more of these impulse legs. Why? Because this took out lows right here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, where's there like an arrow? There's an arrow somewhere, right? ¿Dónde está arrow? Right here. You see that this low, you guys see that? Yeah. Was taken out by this one. So then this one caused a little rally. It didn't break up here, obviously. Then we got a pullback to then once again break structure again. So I was considering this like kind of sideways like accumulation. I was like, all right, this is the accumulation. We're now taking out lows, not once, but twice. So that could be the manipulation. And now we're within the zones looking for maybe this last low to get taken out for then the distribution. If that makes sense, put some W's in the chat. Spam them W's too, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for all that. Bro, I get to meet who here watches some of the new phase guys? What do you guys think about the new phase guys? I get to hang out with a couple of them tomorrow. Work out with them. Guess who's coming to town too? Actually, I don't know if I can leak it. Actually, I can. There's only fucking 35 of you guys here. Aiden Ross is coming to town on Thursday, and I might do a little workout. I don't know if he's gonna come to that gym, but the trainer who got me my whatever is Aiden Ross's trainer, and he's coming and he wants to do a workout with me, and I'm guessing, and with the phase guys as well on Thursday, but I'm gonna do it separately with the phase guys tomorrow. But bro, I'm a fan of Aiden actually. I would be lying to say not. Thank you guys for spamming the chat. You guys are goats. That shit's cool, bro. I like living around this area because you're able to like go like if you guys were on the stream last night, you guys heard that I was working out with Faye Swaglat yesterday, bro. He had the sickest Tiffany blue G-Wagon with 4G auto wheels that were also Tiffany blue. It was the coolest car, probably the coolest G-Wagon I've seen. And he's just a normal guy, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just working out together. All right, GU. Should I get in just to prove a point, guys? All right, look, we just manipulated for the last time. Come on, let's go. Let's go down here. We gotta wait for like a 5-minute close or something. The ASMA still isn't on our side and shit. I'm just being greedy, guys. Obviously, I'm not in these positions. I'm kind of just marking shit up, showing you guys potential setups. I like these type of moves. You guys can see it. This is the same type of setup that was on gold, and look how it played out with gold. So GU likes to, move in the same direction sometimes. So let's get it. What up, Pip Flippa? Good to see you, brother. Shout out to you, my G. Oh, G. Oh my God. Oh no. This is from last week too. Same type of thing that was on GJ last night, guys, of like just understanding the trend, waiting for obvious highs to get taken out, and then like just understanding that like this buy up, so many people are buying. All we have to do now is just fall back to the trend. He's got to think like big hedge funds and stuff. They already sold up in these areas, right? This is why there's these big spikes, big moves down. They already sold up here, and then this is them like allowing kind of the pullback, and then boom, guess what? They're getting more sell positions at this manipulation when more buyers are getting in, and then just boom, going down. Crazy. Luca, are you in the GU trade? No, if I wasn't to get in, it would be like right about now at the break of this 5-minute high. But it's if this 5-minute low holds. So that's one of the things you guys have to understand, is that it's all about the break of the high. I don't like it if it's gonna come break the low and then flip and break the high. No, I would then wait for that candle to close and then wait for the next high to break. You know what I'm saying? So for this particular setup, I need this low to like hold and come break these highs first. Preferably close above the ASMA right here. That's obviously always been my like, if it's not even above the 8 yet, you're usually a little early. But sometimes you could be just, a sniper. So we'll see if we can hold and do that. But it's a similar setup to gold. I like it. And we'll kind of, map it out and see what's going to be, how it's going to play out. Bro, so like, guys, I got a question. What kind of content have you guys been liking on my IG? I've been putting all different types. This type of stuff is to be hyping you guys up for this mentorship I'm gonna be doing, guys. So let's talk about it. I want everyone to listen up, because I'm only be doing this, I'm gonna be doing this once. It's like a sample size thing to see how it goes, but I think it's gonna go absolutely great. I'm only gonna be taking 10 people on a 30-day, basically gonna try and turn you into a funded trader in 30 days, as well as get you a challenge, all that type of stuff. but it's going to be starting on like September 8th. So if you guys are interested, all you have to do is fill out that form and then book a call with my team. And if you get accepted, because like I said, I'm only gonna take 10 people, and I put out the form and it has, I think, like 240 responses. So I'm only gonna take 10 people, right? So if you guys think you want to be in that 10-person group to really put in the work and elevate your trading, go fill out that form. But go here or just DM me coach. Literally just, it says it right there, but just DM me coach. But also just go comment plan. Go comment plan on this and it'll send you the link to sign up. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna take you over everything, show you how to catch these, because you guys might be wondering like, oh Luca, how do you know to like, you know, draw from this low or this low or this low, or like how do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I get a lot of questions that I think a lot of you guys would get answered if you guys just had some help like that. So that's why I'm doing it. All right guys, G position. Should I get in just like a little like half lot just to kind of, because if some of you guys are in, then I feel obligated. I gotta kind of get into. Let me see. What is this on? GU. The thing I don't like about GU is the volume's so low, bro. Like if it's not in session and shit, this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna get in the trade, we're gonna get into profit, and then it's just gonna start consolidating. And then maybe go up, which is dope. I always love when it goes back up. But I feel like I'm just so greedy now. I've been trading so much gold and NAS that I'm just like, what the fuck? Oh no, Dejane said, what do you think of GBP CHF? GBP CHF. I haven't had that on here on the 4 hour. How do you trade? Are you a swing trader? You been on the 4 hour and shit or what? I don't even know if I have that on here. I don't trade any CHF pairs. Why? Because I don't know anything about it. You know what I'm saying? Like I always say this, that like I like trading the US pairs and shit because if there's a news event or something happens, bro, like we know about it. We're gonna be aware. But if there's something happening and it's fucking Swiss franc, I don't know. I have no idea what's going on over there. That's just something that I look out for. Yo, look, you back. Good to see you again. Thank you so much, Moon Days. Thank you for being back, brother. I appreciate you for being back. All the OGs. All right, going back out to the. Oh, you said the 4 hour though. Let's go to the 4 hour. I just look at the trend on the 4 hour, but prefer the trade on the 15 minute. Oh, fire. Yeah, that's perfect. So if we look at the 4 hour on GPCHF, one thing that I'll look at is that we clearly had a shift of structure. Actually, it wasn't necessarily a shift because we already were bearish. We had clear highs around here that were taken out, right? And then not only were they taken out, but then we had a clear higher low created here that's led to a big push down, and now we're in the retracement up. So first off, let's draw up the fib and see if we're even in a discount. We clearly are in a discount. So we've already come back to discount. So what that means to me, when this has been played out in a discount, that means we can focus on more previous structure because we know that it's already pulled back enough in the overall trend. So now we can look for an entry kind of within here. But you can see here we've kind of broken down here to the downside. So it'd be kind of dope to get some sort of like maybe up manipulation, and I actually want to go short. A lot of people would be buying, you know, because they think like, oh, it's gonna retrace more. Like, no, it already bought up. We're getting a minor retracement here. Now it could like come back up like this. Oh. Right? And then what do you guys see here that I always like? Bro, I love manipulations into supply zones that are what? Say it with me. Overextended. What does overextended mean? Overextended means it's too far in a price without pulling back yet. So like I look at like this fair value gap down here and like these lows on this trend line and stuff, and I think, bro, we need to come down here more. But not only do we need to come down here more, but we're in a bearish trend. Like we've already sold, we're now pulled back, and now we're gonna continue to sell. It's just wondering when. So I kind of want to wait for like one last little manipulation. This is gonna be just all liquidity bought up from all just early buyers. And then I'm expecting after we get the high break up here, then we get the move down. Does that make sense? And y'all can't like the way your guys' brains are programmed is you guys are really trying to catch these little moves where like if you really zoom out and pay attention to what would potentially be happening in the long term, because like I said, I think it might buy a little bit up into here, but the overall thing should then fall. Where is it? That makes sense. What does the arc one do? I don't even know. Arc. Huh. The arc's kind of cool, but not what we were looking for. The arc's unnecessary, but I like this because this to me, the curve, because a lot of you guys might think I like the curve, like, I don't even know how to explain it, kind of like, to me it shows how it might take some time. A lot of people use just this tool where they go like this, but that's unrealistic. When you actually put on the curve, you understand that it's most likely to do something like this. And kind of, you know, curve down. It's not going to be just an easy little thing, you know what I'm saying? But I like using it. So that's that way, and then going down is the other way, like this. And up. Bro, what? Fuck. My bad, I was looking at the chat. That transition was smooth as fuck. Thank you, Pip Flippa. Good to see you. Just looking at turns. How's Miami, G? Miami was sick, brother. I was there a little too long. So I don't know if you guys know this, but like I was in Miami for the week. And then I flew home for the LA meet and greet. And then during that time is when I got invited to go back to Miami for the podcast and some other business stuff. So I had to fly back all of last week. So that's why I've been gone, guys. So I apologize, but make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I think I have it with subscribe only on to be able to talk in the chat room. So if you guys can't even talk in the chat, it's because you won't even just hit that subscribe button. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. I'm live here like 3 times a week. So, you know, take advantage too, because also when I do the mentorship thing, I probably won't have time to do as many lives as well. But a lot of you lucky people will be a part of it. So let's go back over here to this, and then I'm gonna copy and paste. And guys, if you guys have not gone and commented plan, then you're a bad trader. Sorry to break it to you. You're just a bad trader. DAX breakdown, yeah. Trade with proper stop loss always. All right, DAX breakdown. Going over DAX, going over DAX, going over DAX. Remove drawings. Oh damn, if I press back, you can see I called for these sells, gangster. I'm too good. Finally, we watch them play out. All right. Oh, it's GJ. Now back to 30. We'll do remove drawings. And just start blank. So on the 4 hour, you can see here that we had the big move down, and now we're back up and retesting this 4 hour level of supply. So when we talk about premium discount, this is like some of the most discount you can freaking get. It's, you know, it's almost a full retracement. So I think there needs to be some sort of accumulation before the distribution. So maybe some sort of like side accumulation, which could be happening now. You know, we had the first kind of move down. We could kind of move up. And then what does that create? If I just does this, you know what I'm saying? What does that create? That creates a range, because it kind of would do something like this, right? So what happens after a range? After that is the distribution or the drive. So, you know, because we're at all-time highs, I think looking for some sort of maybe even manipulation above and trying to short from all the way up here to come and do the overall move down. Because once again, bro, we take out that curve. Like, I think that's probable. Price moved up. We kind of do the side channel now. Maybe have one last move up to get final buyers in. Because you got to think, bro, when this re-breaks up here, so many buyers are getting in. And then what's going to happen? It's going to drop. You guys always wonder why you lose trades. You just got to understand that, like, if you've lost, let's say, X amount of trades, whatever it may be, bro, understand why you lost those trades and think, oh, what could I do differently? And I'm sorry to say it, but like, the do it differently is basically just doing like what the whatever the opposite is that you did. You know, if you bought, you should have sold. If you sold, you should have bought. You know. But when it comes to the 5-minute on JER, you see that we're in the retracement here. If we come out and take these lows right here, I'd look for some short-term little buys. Why? Because I think we need to have a bigger move back up into here. And this would be a good place to take it because we have the Asian range. We have the Asian range that was created. So if price kind of comes down, takes out the Asia lows, that'll be liquidity to then aim for liquidity in the opposing direction. So, bro, I'm fucking gassed. Yeah. But make sure y'all, like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I think I'm gonna hop off the live in a second. It's about to be London session in 7 minutes. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the goats. What's up? We got Nick's FX in the building. What's up, my G? Guys, I've been telling Nick's that on the days that I'm not streaming, or even let's say it's a night like tonight, that he's up or whatever, bro, he be a go when it comes to supply and demand, showing you guys good trade ideas. So I've been telling him to go live on maybe this channel even, and you guys tune in. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys would tune in. If he came on here and did analysis and chopped up with you guys and basically gave you guys trade ideas as well. Maybe just not as good looking as me. No, I'm kidding. No, he's good looking kid, no homo. Oh, bro, I've been fucking, but no, it would be dope. Trying to expand, you know what I'm saying? It's just more, it's more, knowledge for you guys. Salva said, yo, Salva, don't even get me started about how you look, bro. You cute as hell, so, you know, if you really want to go there, we could go there. I'm kidding. Nah, there's only one hottie in the chat. Actually, there might be two. Might be two. It depends if the other one's still here. I'm kidding. You guys are all cute. Emma's coming to Buenos Aires. I know. I literally told him when we were in Miami that before he even bought his ticket, because he was telling me he was going to go. I asked where in Argentina he was going, and he said he was going to Buenos Aires. And I said, that's where Salva is, bro. You're gonna have to link with them, bro. Take him out or do something, or maybe I'll give him something to bring to you. Like a 6-pack of beer. No, I'm kidding. Dang, 2 comments back to back about the giveaway. All right, guys, no more giveaway for tonight. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna end the stream here, and no, I'm kidding. Nah, I've been hating that shit though, bro. I've been getting way too many DMs about people asking for shit. It kind of annoys me. I had a girl today ask how I pay her fucking college tuition. I'm like, bitch. Well, I look like I make a wish. Like, damn. I got big dreams too. Nah, but nah, that shit is different. But even the challenges thing, bro. Like, someone messaged me, was like, hey Luke, I noticed you didn't do the giveaway last night, so can you just give me the account? And I was like, I was like, eat a fucking dick sideways. Sorry. Y'all think I'm just made of money where I'm just gonna be buying you guys challenges left and right, bro. Bro, I wonder how much I've given. I've given out probably like $3-4 million worth of fucking challenges. Can you give me a dog? Facts. Dead ass, bro. The challenge ain't enough. They'd be like, bro, can you buy me a dog? There's a new Nissan Altima that I want. Bitches be doing the most besides just saying what's good, chopping it up, checking in. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm just venting. Let's turn to Dr. Phil. Damn, with the low W into GU, guys. Failing to make new lows. Could be G. Like I said, closure above the ASMA. I like. Emotional trading dog. What do you mean? Gold. So we kind of went over gold already. But gold, we had a nice, beautiful little break of structure in this order block, retracement, taking out lows, tapping in, 200 on our side to come up. Took out liquidity above. So I would say that I'm not keen to sell yet, but this trade idea played out. So one thing you gotta understand is that like we were bullish, but where were we aiming for? We were aiming for these equal highs to get taken out, and what happened after? Just a quick retracement all the way down. So I always remember that like if you have a trade idea and it's like and it played out, bro, don't what's it called? Don't just keep holding it, because that's just hopeless trading. Because y'all gotta understand that like if this setup was on the 4 hour, this whole move would be like a 1 to 10. Just because it's a 1 to 2 or whatever doesn't mean you should just close. No, the trade idea played out. You were aiming for this liquidity, it took this liquidity, so now it's coming back down. So why I'm bringing that up is that I think now that because we kind of had to move up, because look at the structure, we already were in this bearish trend, had this move up, right? Took out lows, took liquidity above. So what's happened now? Move down, and we're looking for a break of structure. Once we get a break of structure down in this area, I'll look for the retracement up into probably somewhere up in here. I'll draw a fib, look for a discount, and then look for further shorts. Does that make any sense? Put some W's in the chat that makes sense. Clarity discount in case I don't win tonight. Code Luca. Use code Luca. I'm pretty sure it's like freaking 25% off. Super G. Is there any Asian low sweep setup? I'm not seeing any right now. That would be on gold. You know, you can see right here on gold that the Asia lows haven't been taken out. So if you draw this and get a sweep, you could look for an entry there for sure. For sure. Thanks, bro. I'm not going to stop. That's why I was asking. It does get frustrating. It does. Wait. Thanks, bro. I'm not going to stop. That's why I was asking. It does get frustrating sometimes, though. What gets frustrating? Bro, if you say it gets frustrating that you don't win, then I'm going to boot you. Bro, if you guys are... Oh my god, I don't even want to get started. I'm just going to ignore it. Looking for trade clarity for 2 weeks. I think the first payout is a month, but after you're profitable for a month and you get the payout, then it turns into 2 weeks. He said trading. Yeah, don't give up on trading. Don't give up on trading, brother. You never should. I always say this, guys. I've said it in a couple podcasts. If you guys are buying challengers that maybe are a little, you know, if you're really nervous to blow them and you're like, oh, this is the last challenge. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, this 100K, I have to pass this one. Well, then guess what? You should buy a 25K. I'm just being completely honest. You guys can make pretty decent money with the 25K and shit. You guys are just, you know, a little bit more greedy and want to do the 100Ks, the 200Ks, which I think is great. It's gonna get you out of your job faster. You guys will hit your financial freedom, whatever. But I just hate when you're putting so much like emotions into one account, because if you blow it, then you're gonna be discouraged and want to quit. Whereas like if you do a 25K and lose it, oh, okay, that's all, you know, it's only 250 bucks. All right, just do another one. Boom, another one. And then it's like, damn, all right, I want to do one. Third one, you pass. Boom. First payout recoups it all. G shit. But yeah, y'all can see G's playing out. I love the W. So y'all know I love these W formations. But this setup, guys, like I said, it was really just mimicking also what happened with gold as well. But bro, aiming for these highs up here should be pretty clean. It's like a nice almost 1 to 2. And we kind of just wait and see. But yeah, let's do the giveaway in Discord tonight. I'm gonna run it real quick, and then Salva, can you send the link too? Yeah. All right, so y'all can see here. First off, make sure you guys show love. Only 5 reactions and shit in the Discord is crazy. But make sure you guys turn your notifications on. You guys can see at the top too, I'm getting the NLT mentorship thing ready. Like I said, if you guys want to be part of the 10 people, I'm literally going to turn into absolute beast. If you guys don't turn profitable, I don't even know, bro. It should be just fucking, I don't even know. You're like, I think I'm so good at teaching at this point that you guys will be able to get funded very easily. I'm going to get you a challenge. We're going to pass it. It's going to be gangster. But make sure you guys go and comment on my new reel and stuff for the link to go and join and all that type of stuff. But it's about to be lit. All right, /G create. Let's do the giveaway, guys. We'll do it for 4 minutes. Damn, I didn't even notice it was letting open. All right. Boom, everyone go hit that hit it. Please send the Discord link, guys. If you guys are in the Discord, make sure first off, I think you have to right click like on the left side of the screen where it shows all the Discords you're in. Right click and turn on all the notifications, and also make sure you have all the sections enabled. If you scroll down, you guys are going to see the giveaway section. And yeah, we're giving away a 25K Clarity account right now. Where the flip did my phone go? So bad. GJ's gone. I know, I was just looking at it on my other screen. Look at GU though, guys. I literally put a 44 in the chat if I broke this down to the T, explained it, because I also went over it on gold and then it played out on G right after. On my phone. How's my phone? Oh, I wish I could show you guys where my phone is. It's all the way like over there. What? Like how the fuck? I gotta start messing with the signals. You called it. Thank you. You guys are the best. All right. Let's go over. Alright, we chopped it up. How much time to think giveaway? Damn, 2 minutes still. Damn, GU. We'll see what plays out and runs to the liquidity. You know what I'm saying? We're already up a 1-to-1 for sure. But when it comes to hitting our target for these equal highs, we'll see if we get the push up there. Luca, when is the next meet and greet? Whenever you guys want, bro. Where do you guys want it to be? I always say it. If any of you guys are in my town and in LA and shit, bro, like, we can meet up. We can get lunch or something. I might bring security and maybe like 3 guns, but no, I'm kidding. Totally kid. Bad joke. Damn, look at this, guys. 6 British, 9 money, 15 eggplant. You guys are so horny. Like, how are you guys so horny? Oh my god, Salva, look at you. Reacted by, I know you started this one. You horny bastard. Jesus. Never surprised. Shh. He's horny for a 25k. Is there any other funny emojis? I don't even know. 17 for the eggplant is crazy though, guys. Shout out to all the eggplants out there, you know? Even if you're a small eggplant, you know, we got love for y'all. Can't relate, but you know. We love you all at different sizes. Alright, on to the next one. Let's go. The winner of the giveaway is dun, 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 dun. Drum roll, please. Mr. Skits, bro. I love that. Mr. Skits the OG too. You deserve it, bro. You're always here on the live stream showing love and shit. So message me. Damn, look at that eggplant again. Y'all crazy. Well, you horny bastards need to go to bed. No trading for you, bro. If you guys are bricked up like a fucking brick house, then take your ass to bed. It ain't your time to trade. Don't take it out on the markets. Go take it out on some Riley Reid on... No, I'm kidding. Damn, tonight's just... It's one of those nights, bro. Damn, look at G though, guys. I kind of want to stay on and watch it play out just to see you guys, once again, taking liquidity above the lows, where it's now sitting above the highs. Like, you know, magnet. So once again, I'm gonna test you guys right now. Let's test it right now, guys. If I ask, why do I love liquidity? What are you guys gonna say? I'm gonna say, chat, why do I love liquidity? Chat, why I have liquidity? Thanks, mate. Hashtag magnets. It's magnetic, exactly. It's magnetic, guys. It's where price is heading towards. It's a magnet heading from liquidity to liquidity. It's just getting pulled. GJ, I have GJ up right here on my other screen, guys. I see the liquidation. It does look good. Right up in here, taking out here into this fair value gap. I already think, Luke, you gotta be stupid not to sell. Bitch, if you saw what happened to me last night, you wouldn't want to sell either. Nah, I'm kidding, bro. Oh my god, I'm talking crazy tonight. But I definitely want to go. I'm gonna go start looking at the markets, guys, and start, you know, chopping it up. I'm just trying to be funny for y'all. Make sure the lives are fun. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for coming tonight. I always appreciate everyone who does come through and shows love. Even if you're here for a small time, long time, anything in between. Either identify liquidity or become liquidity. Exactly. Either identify liquidity or become liquidity. Everyone would ask me, why do you wait for a higher low to take out? And I'm like, you know what? You're less likely to become liquidity if you wait for liquidity to be taken out first. Easy. Can you take a look at gold? Yeah, I can take a look at gold. Bro, I would say it's, you know, just a fat consolidation as of now. I don't want to buy once again at the same level, but you could if you think that we're going to go bullish from here. But like I said, I think there's liquidity sitting under here where this has to have a move down into here. I don't know the fuck that did that. But once we get this move down into here, I don't know why I drew that many. Hold on, let me redo it. Once we get kind of like a break, maybe like a retest, continuation down to here, At this point is when I think that we're going to get the curve. Curve, swerve. Buys. Target. I really do this shit. All you guys are looking to sell right here. I'm like, no, y'all are selling to where I want to go. Where were you? Look, and then it's going to turn to the Batman setup. Y'all remember the Batman setup? So then what's going to happen after this? You're going to come up here and get the ear type shit. And then it's going to sell off. Oh, shit. Why is the Batman set up? Because it looks like the ear here. Right? And it's kind of the head. And this is the ear. And that's the rest of the head. Right? So always identifying the Batman setup's fire because you can catch shorts from all the way up here. And y'all think I'm kidding and just making some shit up. The Batman setup is real. Any OGs in the live stream know that. The Batman setup is real. But love y'all, bro. Shout out to Mr. Skits on the challenge, winner. Make sure y'all go comment plan on my new Instagram post, and you guys may be able to become part of the first 10 people to be able to become a funded trader with me alongside with me. So let's run it up. If you guys want to run it up alongside with me, let's freaking do it. I appreciate y'all. I hope to see you guys there, and I hope to see you guys back on the live stream. So hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, gang. Oh god, I didn't turn the slide off. This when you know I'm done. When I go like this. Oh shit, wrong one. Oh fuck my eyes. One of those nights. Alright, love y'all. Catch you on the flip side. Peace out, gang.